Once I lived the life of a millionaire. Spent all my money, I didn't care. Took all my friends for mighty good time. Bought bootleg liquor, champagne and wine. But then I get busted and felt so low. Didn't have money or place to go. I'll say it straight, without any doubt. Nobody knows you when you're down and out. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Nobody Knows You When You're Down and Out. That's a classic blues tune that we'll try to translate to the ukulele. I'll show you how to play it in the key of C on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. Alright, so throughout the whole song basically we're just repeating one loop. So let me first show it to you as a matter of basic chords, and after that I'll show you some little extras that I'm doing here and there. Alright, so we start with the chord of C. Okay. And after that the chord of E7, which I'm grabbing like this for this song. Okay. And then the chord of A. To the chord of A7. Okay. And after that we have D minor. Back to A7. And back to D minor. A little bit longer. Alright. And after that we have the chord of F. And here's the spicy one, F sharp diminished, which is basically the same as G, just you move everything one string up towards you, okay? And after that we have C to A7, and then we have D7 twice to G7 twice, okay? Once I lived the life of a millionaire. Spent all my money, I didn't care. Da-da-da-da. Champagne and wine. Okay, so you can just memorize these chords and strum it. This is probably the easiest possible way to play it, but here's a little bit something more that you can add to the mix. So on the C, I'm trying to play first the C string and then the chord, and then going to E, I play on the A string 7th fret first and then to the 5th fret, okay? And then going to A, I'm keeping the pinky right here on the 4th fret. And then still keeping it on the 4th fret right here while I'm on the A7. Then on D to A7 to D minor, nothing really spectacular, except when you're about to go to F, I'm doing this little walk. Okay, so while I'm holding D like this, on the C string I'm doing 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then grabbing the F tone here on the E string 1st fret, and I play first this and then the chord. Alright, and then I move this for the F sharp diminished 7. Okay, and then on the C I'm doing something else. I'm doing walk down this time. On the A string 3, 2, 1 to A7, and then D7 to G7. basically this sums up the whole progression for the whole song. Now, as for the ending, all the different versions that you can hear has different endings. So, for example, Eric Clapton is staying more on D7. Nobody knows you. To F. Nobody knows you. Back to D7, to G7. When you're down and out. For example, I don't know, this is how I'm finishing the song, but also you can find many different ways to finish it. Anyway, that was my tutorial for Nobody Knows You When You're Down and Out. Thanks so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.